In this video, we see how the integration between Silverfort and Ping Identity delivers unified risk-based authentication to detect and prevent malicious access to enterprise resources. In this scenario, we have an enterprise environment that includes on-prem machines managed by Active Directory and SaaS applications managed by Ping Federate. There's also a user called admin1. We also have an attacker that has already compromised admin1's username and password for the on-prem environment and the federated applications. We join the scene when the attacker attempts to brute force another on-prem machine with RDP. This script simulates the brute force attack. The attack fails since the attacker did not guess the true password, and you can see in Silverfort's log screen the multiple failed attempts. Silverfort deduces that a brute force attack took place and as a result increases admin1's risk score. This triggers Silverfort adaptive risk-based policy that is enforced on any access attempt from now on. Now the attacker attempts to connect to Azure Portal with Ping Federate using the compromised credentials. Without Ping and Silverfort integration, there is zero visibility to the risky behavior, and access would be granted based on username and password alone. However, Silverfort's risk engine takes the user's full context into account, and the adaptive policy affects the access to the federated application as well. In this case, MFA is required, enabling only a true admin to access and blocking the attacker. This is the first time in which access to SaaS applications is based on the entire user's behavior rather than on its SaaS access attempts alone. In a similar manner, any further access attempt is subject to this policy. If, for example, the attacker now attempts to log in to a remote machine on-prem with a command line utility like PowerShell enter PS session, admin1's critical risk score will trigger the policy and require MFA as well. Together, Silverfort and Ping Identity deliver unified risk-based authentication across all access attempts made by all users to all resources.